Hi, welcome to the Tutoring Center at Raritan Valley Community College. In today's video, we'll be discussing Chapter 1 in the review packet for elementary algebra. Our first topic in Chapter 1 is identifying terms. These problems can be found on page 83 of your textbook. The first exercise we're going to do is 103, which gives us the expression 55x. We want to determine whether the expression is a term, and if the expression is a term, identify its coefficient. Exercise 103 is a term. Why? Well, because we're multiplying 55 and x. Therefore, the coefficient for this problem is 55. Exercise 104 gives us x minus 7. X minus 7 is not a term. The reason is we are not multiplying. Instead, we are subtracting. Our second topic for the Chapter 1 review is simplifying expressions. These can also be found on page 83. We're going to do a total of 8 problems 105 through 112, but we're only going to focus on the first 4. In exercise 105, we're given negative 10x plus 4. So we're going to start by adding the coefficients, which gives us negative 10 plus 4x. And so our final answer will be negative 6x. For problem 106, we're given 19z minus 4z. So in this case, instead of adding our coefficients, we're going to subtract them. So we're going to get 19 minus 4z, or just simply 15z. In exercise 107, we're given 3x squared plus x squared. When we don't see a coefficient in front of a number, we can assume that the coefficient is 1. So we will add our coefficients together, which is 3 plus the 1 from our x squared, and we're left with 4x squared. In problem 108, it gets a little bit more complicated. We're going to do 7 plus 2x minus 6 plus x. So first we want to group our terms into like terms. So we have our whole numbers, 7 and negative 6, so we're going to do 7 minus 6, and that's added to our x terms, which is 2x plus x. This gives us a result of 1 plus 3x. So we're going to continue our discussion of simplifying expressions, starting with problems 109 through 112. In problem 109, we're given 4x squared minus 3 plus 5x squared minus 3. Of course, we want to combine like terms, so we get 4x squared plus 5x squared plus negative 3 minus 3. This gives us a final answer of 9x squared minus 6. In problem 110, we're given 3x squared plus 4x squared minus 7x squared. Because these are all like terms, we can just simply add the coefficients together. This gives us 3 plus 4 minus 7x squared. Our final answer, therefore, is just 0x or simply 0. In problem 111, we're given 35a divided by 7a. In this case, our variables a cancel out. Therefore, we're left with 35 over 7, or 35 divided by 7, which is simply just equal to 5. Our final problem for the Chapter 1 review is exercise 112, which is 24x minus 60 over 12. For this problem, we can put each of our terms in the numerator over the denominator. This results in 24x divided by 12 minus 60 divided by 12. 24x divided by 12 just gives us 2x, and 60 divided by 12 gives us 5. So our final answer is 2x minus 5. And this is the end for the Chapter 1 review.